Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ever wondered why Koreans have such glowing, flawless skin? In Korea, skincare isn't seen as a task. It's a form of self-love. They're super serious about taking care of their skin from a young age. But here's the real secret. They know that true beauty comes from inside too. That's why Koreans focus not only on skincare, but also on eating healthy, and your skin can feel refreshed, nourished, and glowing like never before. Korean glass skin isn't just a look, it's a vibe. Their diets are full of fresh vegetables, fermented foods, and lots of water because they believe clear, glowing skin starts with a healthy body. Good skincare plus a clean, balanced diet, that's the real magic formula behind their shine. So if you're dreaming of that glass skin glow, it's not just about using fancy products, it's a whole lifestyle. Don't just focus on creams and serums, feed your skin from the inside too. In just a few weeks, you'll notice a soft, dewy glow, the kind that looks filtered, even without makeup. So beauties, I'm sure you'll want to try this at home because why not? It's simple, natural. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay beautiful, inside and out.